It is a rainy day today, but that's not going to stop us from having an open house at our new accessory dwelling unit here in Temescal Valley. And in fact, this is the first completed accessory dwelling unit that has been built in Temescal Valley. And so we've got it open today. We're inviting friends, neighbors, and everybody to come in and take a look. And it is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, just a little over 1,000 square feet with a 2-car garage. And it's going to be an amazing event. Even with the rain, we've got the hardy people coming over and enjoying everything. So let's go inside and take a look around.
Comparison between the choices, so he built this website where he's doing product, and there's links for either product.
Hi guys, welcome. How are you?
Pretty good.
Good. You live here in the neighborhood?
We live on Horsey.
Oh, okay. We found
That can be done in Vegas.
extra. Yeah.
This height, I can walk into. So I have.
And he put all the cabinets together. He did the kitchen design for me.
Well, the sun came out just as we finished up our open house, and we hope you enjoyed it as much as we did hosting it. And if you'd like to see more videos like this for anything involving the Temescal Valley real estate market, for homes, for anything else, be sure and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.